And oh, namaste everyone. Welcome to Nile Inventions. Before getting into the video, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss out anything from my side. Okay, so today I have with me Dr. Juneja's Cough Rahat, and this is an Ayurvedic cough syrup, and this has honey and tulsi, and this says pure Ayurvedic, no drowsiness, fast and effective relief, and this also says Sampurna Parivar ke liye. Right. Okay, so this I'll show you. This retails for, as you can see, 93 rupees, and this will expire by 2021, and this is 100 ml in quantity. All right, so these are the ingredients. Yeah, if you can see properly, and this, as you can see, this has shahad and this has chini as well. First of all, you can take it if you have all types of dry productive cough, quick relief from cold, sore throat, blocked nose, or as directed by the physician. Directions for use, this says up to 6 years of age you can use it, half a teaspoon, 2.5 ml 3 times a day, or 6 to 12 years you can use 1 teaspoonful 3 times a day, and above 12 years 2 teaspoonfuls 10 ml 3 times a day, with half cup of lukewarm water or as directed by the physician. Okay, so I have taken this already, but I didn't take it with lukewarm water. I directly took this. So I will open this and I'll show it to you. This comes in a plastic bottle, like a typical cough syrup bottle. So this comes like this, and the ingredients are also mentioned over here. And as you can see, everything is mentioned on the bottle as well, which is a good thing. Like if somehow if you misplace this, or if you can throw away this outer carton, because everything is mentioned, the expiry, everything is mentioned. So that's not a, I mean, that's good in a way. So I'll show it to you. Okay, so I'll show you the texture. I'll show you the color and texture of this. As this says, this has honey. I hope I don't spill this on the blanket. Okay, so as you can see, this is the texture. This somehow looks like honey, and as I have told you that I have taken this medicine because I had cough, I'll have to say that I will say one thing, that this tastes very good. I mean, this has a nice honey kind of a flavor, and also once you gulp it down your throat, there is a nice cooling sensation. I don't know how that sensation is coming. I mean, whether this has mint or something, I don't know, but once this goes down your throat, it gives a very cooling sensation, and I just absolutely like that feeling, because I had a lot of cough syrups in my life, and I never felt this kind of a feeling from any other cough syrup. I can say that. I mean, it is a very cooling sensation. I mean, I'm not able to describe it properly, but this is really nice, and the taste is also good. I mean, some people cannot take cough syrups because of their, pungent taste or anything, but this has a nice flavor, so you can definitely take this. Yeah. So that was it, guys. That was my small take on Cough Rahat, and I think you can give this a try for cough. If you have any serious kind of a cough, I would suggest you to consult a doctor. But if you have the seasonal cough, or cough which you are sure that it's not that serious, then you can definitely go for a cough syrup, and I would suggest you take this cough syrup. This is really nice. Taste wise also this is good. You won't get a bad taste in your mouth. So I think you can give this a try. I've tried it, and this works for me. So I think you should give this a try. So that was it. I shall see you guys next time with some another product. In this video you didn't see my face. I'll show my face in the next video. So I'll see you guys next time. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.